Hi, welcome to Tool Zone. Here we have Parkside Performance Cordless angle grinder. It's 20-volt angle grinder. It's 10,000 RPM and 125 millimeters diameter of disc. It has 5 years warranty, brushless motor, of course spindle lock, everyone has it. It's a bare tool, no batteries. They stated here that charger is not included, not batteries. It's recommended that it use 4 amp hour battery, but be prepared. Every angle grinder is a power eater, so be prepared to have at least 2 batteries so you can work comfortably with it. Especially durable and powerful with less wear and tear. Let's see what's in the box. It's grinder, of course. Price of this grinder is around 60 euros. The box plastic, or the dirty from transport, I believe. This is a little bit of soft. You need to bend this to inside so it would increase the pressure so it doesn't unlock itself in transport. Here it is. Let's see what they gave us. They gave us a grinder. It's rubberized. Here they use standard 20-volt team batteries from Parkside, rubberized handle, and this is supposed to reduce vibration, but as far as I can see it doesn't have that function. It's just part of design. Switch is okay, goes smooth, disengages smooth, and here, what is here? You have here a wrench if you can't undo the disc by hand. This is quick release. Just press here and undo. This remove disc. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions of guard. I believe it will do okay. You can't remove it without undoing these 3 screws, removing that part. That is pretty bad, but I like it when it's on all the time. Here you can see is a ball bearing. It's okay. It's quite okay. It's quite okay. Now we'll give it a try and see how it really works. Just a few notices. Here are the ventilation holes, and they have some kind of mesh to prevent dirt getting inside the motor. And I don't have 4 amp hour battery, I have 2 amp hour battery, but it will do for the test. It just slides in and locks in place. It does not wobble much, and it goes like this. It's pretty stable, low vibrations, and when it stops, it activates after 3 seconds, as I could measure, brake. But the brake is pretty hard. Look at this. Oh. So it doesn't surprise you when you're working. Now I'll do some steel cutting and try this thing. Stay tuned. Up.